Hey guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and welcome to Alegria in Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. You will see this very first in my YouTube channel, my exclusive house tour for Ariada model. This is actually a duplex. You have an option for without a balcony and with balcony. For your information, this RFO unit has just been sold. Yes, recently sold like hours ago. So what you can do is the minimum lot is 112 square meter. You can pick in our map for the available slot or inventory, and then you can choose to build this kind of house with balcony. So let's go and have a house tour for Ariada model. So nakita niyo naman guys, very elegant. Grabe ano siya, up to 2-car garage. Ganito kalaki yung kanyang carport pagpasok mo. Ready na talaga. Ang ganda niya. Tapos tingnan mo yung garden niya dito. Meron siyang garden space dito. Yung color niya, napakaaliwalas niya sa mata, di ba? Tapos dito guys, meron pa siya dito another garden area, may backyard, may service laundry area. And dito, pagpasok mo sa main door, may 4 steps. Mabababa lang naman siya. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And naka-ano na siya, naka-screen door na. Kasi ito yung living area. Sa living area natin guys, may kita mo meron tayong large windows with screen windows. And dito, sa bandang gitna, yung ating stairs. Dito mo pwedeng ilagay yung iyong dining table. Okay? So, dining table with lanay. And sa lanay mo, nakatiles na rin siya dito guys. I just wanna show you. Nakatiles na siya. Ayan, nakikita niyo naman diba guys? Nakatiles na. Tapos dito ang mga kitchen. Tignan mo yung kitchen area niyo kung gano'n kalaki yan. Diba? Look at the quality. Magugulat kayo mamaya guys. So watch until the end of this video para malaman kung gano'n ka-affordable, kung gano'n ka-modern at kagandang bahay. May access door yan dito Access door mo to sa iyong laundry or service area. And your first toilet and shower. Ang ganda guys, ang laki. Hindi mo naman yan. Look at your toilet and shower number 1. If you have an elderly, kung meron kayong senior parents or PWD, the good thing is you have the bedroom here. 1 bedroom sa first floor or ground floor. In total, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 bedroom down, 2 bedrooms up, and toilet and shower up and down. Ano ba guys? Tapos ang aliwalas niya kasi ang dami ng windows full of natural light. May window pa dito, meron pa pang large windows over this side. Let's go upstairs. Ang lubog itong ano niya, hagdan niya, tapos ang taas ng ceiling. Magugustuhan niya ka guys, especially pag nakita nito in person. Ang napakalubog ng hallway, kahit maglagay ka pa ng another ang dito. Accent chair or small living, and dahil pang pwede naman dito. Guys, before we move on to the very spacious balcony, I'll show you how huge our hallway is. Yan ganyan na naman siya guys, kaluwag. Ganyan na naman siya kaganda. Kahit maglagay ka ng chandelier dyan. O, diba guys? And this is your bedroom. For the bedroom number 2, na maluwag, pwede ang double bed. Pwede ka dito magkaroon ng space, customizing closet. And, hindi naman kami and shower. You have a very spacious toilet and shower. O, diba guys? So, complete fixtures na yan. Ang gaganda ng mga brand ng ating mga fixtures. And syempre, your master's bedroom. Just look at your master's bedroom na may 2 windows at malaking windows dito na meron kang view ng iyong balcony. Let's go to the balcony area. Kahit yung balcony area mo, screen door na yun, ha? Naka-screen door na, even the balcony. Oh my gosh, napakamakali. Ang laki niya, guys. Tapos ang maganda sa design niya, after ng balcony, meron ka pang pa-safety dito. Alam mo kung anong naisip ko dito, di ba? Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng mga plants dito sa side na to, pwede nyo pang gawin yun dito. Ayan. Kasi ang ginawa niya sa balcony, for safety, hindi niya sinagad na ano agad, yung baba ka agad. Di ba? Kita nyo, oh, may malawak pang space doon, di ba? For safety yan. Tapos, kahit maglagay ka dito ng inflatable pool, o kaya may guest kayo, maglagay ka dito ng table and chair na mahaba, may party kayo, may event kayo, pwedeng. Tapos, ang ganda ng view mo. Just look at your view here sa Alegria, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo lang. Wala kang makikitang ganito sa Marilao, Bulacan, high-end community, Alegria lang yan, guys. Kasi ang mga design natin dito, modern na siya, modern contemporary. O, diba? Pang western style. Let's go. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our quick house tour for Ariada model. And of course, you have to know our sample combination. Gaano ba ka-affordable? Look at the screen and check out our sample combination for Ariada model. You can see, guys, it's very affordable and you can actually stretch the down payment up to 24 months, 0% interest, and we will help you with the bank loan. So the developer will process everything on your behalf. You don't need to worry about that. If you are based abroad, no problem. If you are an immigrant, for as long as you have a dual citizenship, you are welcome and you are qualified. Of course, the proof of income, you can see also, guys, make sure that you are qualified for this. And if you need a co-borrower, that's okay. We accept co-borrower or combined income. So strictly no walk-ins. If you have any questions, if you want to schedule a viewing, you just have to contact me as soon as possible through my Viber WhatsApp number, always flashing on the screen. And of course, guys, just mention Alegria or mention Ariada. Kung ito yung particular model na talagang gusto mo, mention mo agad Ariada model, okay? That's what we need to know, guys. Just mention Ariada model. Yan, okay? Or if you're using Messenger, ayan siya, guys. Contacting nyo ako through my Messenger. Mention Ariada model, okay? I will call you and give you a qualification, free qualification, or if you have any questions, just contact me directly. Reach out to me directly. If you want to schedule a viewing, make sure 1 to 2 days before. Strictly, no walk-ins are allowed kasi may community na po tayo. This is a very good location, non-flooded. Pinaka-importante, you should know it's non-flooded area. We are very close to all the establishment that you need, close to Quezon City and Manila and the Luzon Expressway, okay? So that's all you need to know, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Nicole. And don't forget, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.